Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mummy, and I have some quick, easy, and cheap Halloween DIYs for you today. You're gonna love these. A lot of people bought these large dollar store planters this summer to make the viral side tables. So I decided to put a Halloween spin on the idea. I paired mine with a disposable tablecloth and plastic bowl, all from my local Dollarama. I also use my Cricut to make a ghost face decal, but if you don't have a Cricut, you can use black cardstock or felt. First, I grabbed my two pots and I used hot glue to attach the bases together. I like hot glue because it's temporary and I can repurpose the pots after Halloween, but you're welcome to use a stronger, more permanent adhesive. Next, you're going to want to grab something to cover the pots. You can use a blanket or an old sheet, but I wanted to keep my costs down, so I grabbed a dollar store tablecloth. I draped the tablecloth over the pots and ensured they were totally covered. Then I placed the plastic bowl on top to hold everything in place. To finish, I grabbed my decals and placed them on the front of the tablecloth to make a ghost face. Then grab some Halloween treats and fill up the bowl. Isn't this the cutest way to greet trick-or-treaters? For the next DIY, you're going to need dollar store white balloons and disposable tablecloths. First, blow up a balloon and tie a piece of twine to the top. Next, drape the disposable tablecloth over the balloon, cut a little slit by where the top of the balloon is, and pull the twine through. Finally, you're going to add a ghost face. I used decals that I printed with my Cricut, but if you don't have a Cricut, you can use pieces of felt, pieces of cardstock, or you can draw on with a Sharpie. These look great blowing in the wind or inside for decor, and they're easy and inexpensive to make, so you can make a bunch. The Dollarama has many battery-operated lighting options. I found this lantern at my local Dollarama, and I decided to transform it into a glowing ghost. I printed some decals with my Cricut, used transfer tape to apply the decals, and that was it. It's super cute sitting next to my pumpkin during the day, and even cuter at night when it's glowing. Next up is a simple project using dollar store streamers that has a big impact. I cut strips of streamers and used tape to attach them to my door. Then I created creepy eyes using my printer and a Sharpie. I cut out my eyes, and then I used tape to attach them to my door. I think it looks super cute, and I love how it turned out. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite DIY in this video. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified the next time I post. Talk to you next time. Bye.